what's your name?
Ay, baby. Yeah.
Wow,
Ano,
baby.
baby? Baby, anong klaseng nurse ka, baby?
Theater nurse.
Anong specialty mo?
Opta.
Opta.
Baby, why did you choose UK?
UK, actually, honestly, no, hindi talaga UK yung una kong choice. Tapos, sinadjust lang nung tita ko na why not try UK kasi mabilis ang process. Tapos, syempre, as nandito na ako ngayon, nagustuhan ko na din siya kasi grabe yung work-life balance talaga niya. Tapos, na-enjoy ko siya in fairness.
Okay. Baby, in one word, describe yourself as a nurse in the UK.
Pretty. Pretty.
Of course, baby.
Yeah.
Baby, baby, anong gusto mo sa trabaho mo?
Less patient interaction. Hindi siya ganun ka-demanding kasi usually yung mga patients is depende sa type ng anesthesia if papatulugin or something. Tapos after nun, kapag done na yung cases is diretso na yung patient sa recovery and then that's it. Wala na masyadong, even with the relatives, wala na din masyadong interaction with the relatives. So more on ano siya, hindi siya ganun ka-mentally and emotionally exhausting talaga.
And lastly, anong ayaw mo sa trabaho?
Ayaw? Kailangan may ayaw talaga. Siguro yung yung sa skills. Before kasi ward ako nag-start. So, mas marami yung skills na natutunan natin before nung students tayo, mas napapractice. So, dyan sa theater, more on focus na kasi. So, medyo nawawala na siya yung talaga as Pero, alam mo yon yung on the other hand, iba naman din kasi yung specialty so more focus on surgical and recovery like that.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank you,
much. Thank
baby.